Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today I'm going to show you how to pick some random data from an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so what I want to do here is I want to pick 25 random males and 25 random females, and maybe compare their ages. So what we need to do is first let's set up these as filters, and I'm going to go all the way over to the F column because I'm going to be typing something in there in a second. So let's set up some filters, and over here I'm going to create random numbers by selecting equals to make it a formula, random, just open bracket, close bracket. We'll give you a random number between 0 and 1, I believe. And then you can drag this all the way down, uh, to the bottom here. Okay, so it gives you random numbers associated with every row, right? The problem with that is though, like these numbers can change because it's a formula. So I want to keep those numbers the same, so I'm going to just copy, perhaps there's another way to do it, but I'm going to copy and paste into the F column. But I'm going to go to paste special and paste just the values, and then you'll just have numbers here, not formulas, so those numbers cannot change. So now every data value has a number associated with it, a random number. So if I sort by these random numbers, then that would give me a random sample. So you just click on here, and you can click on ascending or descending if you wish. Okay, so ascending would give me the smallest number first. That's in scientific notation, but that's really a tiny number. Okay, so if I click on, sort now by male, because I want 25 male, 25 female. If I sort this one by ascending or descending, doesn't matter, then notice that these numbers here still are in order, so this Excel has sorted the females, and it's also still sorted by this number over here because we did the number first and then the gender next. So if you pick the ages of the first 25 females here, and you probably have to delete some of these that are not applicable. If you pick these ages, then these ages are a random sample. Okay, so if you want 25 of them, then you just copy and paste here, or you copy paste the whole thing, and it's probably easier to copy and paste the whole thing and delete the first, delete all the NAs, right? That will give you a random sample of 25 females here, right? And then you can scroll down to where the males are. The first, so these are also all in random order. So you can copy and paste maybe a list of 50 and then delete the NAs, and then you have a random sample of the males' ages.